I don't know how it... I don't know. Last time, storage wasn't even a thing, I feel like. It was the RAM. When it would max out, we would lag. What I would do is I would upgrade it. We had more people and downgrade it when we didn't need as much. And I think that, honestly, I think it was my fault. I don't know how to get the storage back down. It's still sitting at 20 gigs. But I think, because we only had 3 gigs of RAM for the first 2.5 weeks. And I think, I guess it's good. It's a form of optimization. When the RAM was full, it would offload on a disk space, the storage. So then that would max out real quick. But I've upgraded the server to 5 gigs of RAM. And I'm hoping that just keeps anything from offloading to the storage. I'm hoping. I don't know. But like I said, that was never an issue the first time around. But we're on Java now instead of Bedrock, so maybe it's just different how they operate. I need to let these guys bunch up a little bit. But you got on now, Nick, didn't you? Nope, hasn't crashed yet, Katie. But like I said, I think it would... That's the tough thing, is I took everything off and upgraded, like, all in the same night. So now that it hasn't crashed, it's like, well, what was it? I almost needed to take, like, a little off at a time to see. Because now it's like, well, was it the fact that the server was only at 3 gigs of RAM when we needed more? Was it a data pack? Was it a plugin that needed updated? I don't know. But yeah, it hasn't crashed since then, and the storage has only gone up an incremental amount. I wish I could find a way to make it go down. I was going through all the files to try to locate, like, anything that was, like, an enormous amount of data, but it really just might be everything little adding up, all the blocks, mobs. Like, individually, there's not one thing that's, like, I think it's just we've been playing a lot, and which is good, but I think that's what's causing the strain. Yo! B Hoback! How much time we got here? We got 15 minutes.
How we doing?
How we doing, B Hoback? Thank you so much for the 19 months. Limeberry, of course. What up, what up? We doing pretty well. Thank you. We just did a raid. I'm trying to max out my gear. And let me do a rundown real quick. We got 15 minutes left, so let me make sure I'm aware of what's happening. The boots are done, I believe. I might be able to add something else to it at some point. Maybe. How many can you get on boots? 4? Protection 4, banger. Feather falling 4, banger. Unbreaking 3, banger. Mending, banger. All bangers. Could I put another one on there? I don't know. This is